Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So for today, you are going to do a revision about problem solving. Okay, so we will learn about problem solving of addition and subtraction and problem solving of multiplication and division. But for this week, you are only going to focus about problem solving of addition and subtraction only. This one next week. Okay. So, before we solve mathematics problem, we need steps. We need to know the steps on how to solve mathematics problem. For example, if you look at this question, okay, there are a lot of words here compared to number. So, how to solve this type of question? Okay, remember this type of question named solving problem. Okay. So here are the steps in problem solving. If you have exercise book with you, you can copy these steps in your exercise book or any paper that you have. Okay, the first step is informations. The second one is operations. Third, number sentence. Four, solve. And fifth, answer in a sentence. After this, I will explain to you on how to use these steps in problem solving in each question. Alright? So for question 1, okay, question 1, in conjunction with Sports Day, a school ordered 1,420 blue t-shirts and 968 red t-shirts. What is the total number of t-shirts? If you read this question, okay, here are the three steps that I mentioned earlier. The first one is information. What type of information that you get from this sentence? This one, okay? 1,420 blue t-shirts and 668 red t-shirts. These are the informations that they give in the question. And then the second one, operation. So from this question, which is the keyword is total, which operation do we use? Addition or subtraction? Which one? Of course, addition, because the keyword is total. So you have to add this number with this number. Okay, so for number sentence, write down 1,420 plus 968. This one you don't have to copy in your exercise book, okay? You only have to solve 5 questions that I have given in worksheet, okay? So this is actually a number sentence. Remember, these are number sentence, okay? So question 2, 1,580 participants took part in a patriotic song singing competition. 27 participants made it to the finals. Calculate the number of participants who did not make it to the finals. Okay, the first one is information. And what are the informations that you get from this question? Okay, this one. The total of participants, 1,580. And then 27 participants made it to the finals. But the question wants to find number of participants who did not make it to the final. So which operation do we use? Addition or subtraction? Which one? We want to find who did not make it to the finals. We use subtract because 27 participants made to the finals. The question asks about did not make it to the finals. So we use subtract. So the number sentence for this question is 1,580 minus 27. Okay. Done for question 2. Let's go for question 3. Okay, for question 3. In a garden, 1/4 of the area is covered with flowering plants. Okay, this one. flowering 1 over 4. And then 3 over 8 of the area is covered with non-flowering. Non-flowering. And the question asks, what is the total area covered with plants? So which operation do we use? Plus or minus? Absolutely correct. We use addition, okay, or plus. So the number sentence is 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. Okay, this is the number sentence. Okay, for question 4. Zara has savings of 369 ringgit and 80 cent. Aisha's savings is 154 ringgit and 10 cent less than Zara's saving. How much is Aisha's saving? Okay, if you look at this question, it said that Zara, okay, this is the amount of money that Zara has, 369 ringgit and 80 cent. And then Aisha's saving is 154 ringgit less than Zara's saving. It means that Aisha's saving is less than Zara's saving. Okay, so which operation do we use? Plus or minus? Less. Remember less. Yes, we use minus. So the number sentence for this question for 369 ringgit 80 cent minus 154 ringgit and 10 cent. Okay, so this is the number sentence for question 4. So let's go for question 5. Okay, question 5. How much more is the mass of the jackfruit than pineapple? How much more is the mass of the jackfruit than pineapple? If you look on this table, jackfruit is heavier than pineapple. So the question wants to find what is much more is the mass of the jackfruit than pineapple. So we must use subtract so that we can find, okay, the mass of the jackfruit is more than pineapple. So 4 kilogram, 450 gram minus 983 gram. Okay, remember to write down the number sentence, and then after that, after number sentence, then you have to solve the equation. Okay, that's for question 5. And the last one is question 6. This one is quite easy because it is a direct question. Look at the picture. Calculate the difference in time taken by Dashini to read a storybook and watch television. Okay, Dashini took 45 minutes to read a storybook and take 30 minutes to watch television. The question wants to find the difference. So we must use subtract. Okay, so write down, sorry. So write down 45 minutes. Don't forget to write down its format, which is minutes. Okay, 45 minutes minus 30 minutes. After write down the number sentence, then you solve the question. Okay? Okay, this is the number sentence for question 6. So for now, it's your turn to answer questions given in Google Classroom. Okay, there is a worksheet that I have given in the Google Classroom. You can print out or you can write down the answer in your exercise book or any paper that you have. Alright? So that's all for today, class. Thank you and Assalamualaikum. Bye. All the best.